everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ThinkTrix. In today's video we are going to learn about the basic concepts of logarithms. You have already studied in the exponential form that if 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to 8, that is if their bases are equal, then their powers, that is index, are also equal. So x is equal to 8. What if you are given that 2 raised to x is equal to 7 raised to 4? Then how are you going to find the value of x? This is where the concept of logarithms enter. So let us understand how logarithms can help you solve these kind of questions. Let us first understand how to convert an exponential statement into logarithmic form. So there is a simple rule called as the BAP rule, where B stands for base, A stands for argument, and P stands for power. So we will write it as log of base, we will write here down, the argument we will write here up, and the power will come here. So you can see B, A, P. So log of 8 to the base of 2 is equal to 3. What we are supposed to do in logarithm is we have to find out that to which power should I raise 2 so that I get 8 as an answer. So in simple, you can say that logarithms are power finders. Let us try to solve a simple question based on logarithm. If you want to find out log of 16 to the base 2, so you have to ask yourself that to what power should I raise 2 so that I get 16 as the answer. So we all know that 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So log of 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. If you have a statement in exponential form, you can write it in logarithm form as follows. Log of B to the base of A will give you the power, that is x. Logarithms are a kind of mathematical statements used to express exponentials. They help us in solving long mathematical questions related to multiplication and division. Let us see some of the properties of logarithms. The first property of logarithm is if you have log of two numbers multiplied to each other to the same base A, then you can separate them as log of m to the base A, but in between the sign will be of addition. The second property says that log of m divided by n to the base A, you can write it as log of m to the base A minus log of n to the base A. So if two numbers are multiplied, their log will be separated by addition. If two numbers are divided, then their logs will separate in subtraction. If you have the argument as well as the base same, log of A, and the base is also A, then the value is 1. Next, log of x to the base A, and if x is also raised to some power, then using logarithms this n can be brought before log. So n times log of x to the base A. Next property is if A is raised to log of x to the base A, means this log is raised to some A and the base of the logarithm is also A. So when this kind of question will come, then you can directly write the argument as the answer. Log and exponentials are inverse of each other. And lastly, if you have log to the base A, then you can write its reciprocal as log of A to the base x. So these properties you can use in solving various questions related to logarithms. So in the next video, we shall solve some questions related to logarithms.